Hello everyone! Today, we're going to share with you an interesting concept about real world and virtual world, digital twin. So, what is digital twin? In short, digital twin is a concept that aims to establish a real-time mapping between physical space and digital space. Well, what can digital twin do? Typically, it can be used for real-time analysis, predictive maintenance, and design optimization of products, systems, and even human bodies. Images might be a better way to illustrate the true face of digital twin. As we can see, digital twin can be used in a variety of industries. With high-fidelity twins, people can better understand the behavior of physical objects to make more feasible decisions. Obviously, digital twin has the potential to reveal the hidden performance of high-valuable and sophisticated equipment, systems, or instruments. Especially for the heavy equipment, the digital twin can be employed to provide valuable insights of physical entities such as offshore wind farms and drilling platforms. Our work is to create a digital twin containing shape and performance information of complex heavy equipment. We call it Shape Performance Integrated Digital Twin. A boom crane is used as an example to show what we are doing. Well, how to accomplish this type of digital twin? First of all, diverse sensors installed in the boom crane act as information collectors. Secondly, the Latin hypercube sampling method is applied to provide sample point data, which used by finite element method, FEM, and reduced order model, ROM. The data generated by FEM and ROM will be used to train the Gaussian process regression model and autoregression Gaussian model. Finally, the data obtained from these models are merged into 3D visualization engine to build a digital crane to mirror the dynamic posture and hidden performance of boom crane. Next, a video will be used to vividly illustrate more details about the Shape Performance Integrated Digital Twin. As we can see, the black irregular curve in the digital space is the trajectory of load. Additionally, the digital crane dynamically displays the stress and deformation distribution of the boom crane during operation. The charts on the right of the digital space provide information about the multiple sensors. The most important point is that the digital space will sound an alarm when the crane reaches extreme operating conditions.